Hello friends and family, and welcome back. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I am Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I have a very special treat for you all. My dear friend Caleb over at CP Designs in Nashville, Tennessee is opening up his home to us for a cozy Christmas home tour. A huge thank you to Caleb for opening his heart and home to us. I love going and seeing other people's homes for Christmas, and Caleb has definitely outdone himself, decorated his home to the nines. So let's go visit him on his very special and fabulous Christmas home tour.
Hey everybody, are you ready? I'm ready to show you my home tour. Come on in, and don't forget, follow the red velvet shoes. Hey guys, are you enjoying my home tour just as much as I am? Well, I hope you are, and I hope it's bringing you cheer, joy, peace, love, and happiness as you walk through what it is to come to Butlerville. And if you've noticed here, I love bicycle art as well as my chest cabinet and china and all the things. I love to mix match patterns and textures, bringing in velvets and snowy trees and normal natural trees and the woods, the different woods and the velvets. I'm absolutely in love with the mixed textures, and you know what? It has just been a beautiful time here at Butlerville, and I can't wait to show you the rest. Hey everybody, I hope you're enjoying my home tour. And you know, I love unique pieces of furniture, and my coffee bar is no exception. It is an old piano that has been gutted out and has been renovated with some white marble, and I've got it set up as the coffee bar. It can be used as a large charcuterie board. It's on wheels. I absolutely love it. But today I just wanted to share with you one of my favorite things during the season is making white chocolate mochas and gingerbread mochas and all the great stuff. So come with me and I want to show you how I do that. Welcome home. It smells so good. The fresh Colombian roast is what I love to use during the holidays. And also, I put 1 packet of sugar. And then I just have the stirrers here. And just start stirring up the sugar and get it well blended into the Colombian coffee. And while that's going on, I've got one of my favorites, white chocolate peppermint mocha creamer. Pouring that in. And just continue to stir that up. And boy, oh boy, do I have some treats today. I've got the whipped topping. And then I've got peppermint marshmallows with some Ghirardelli white chocolate. And to top it all off, I've got these little gingerbread men that I love to pick up at Trader Joe's, and they just set in and just add so much holiday cheer to your cup of coffee. And I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I do. Cheers! Hey guys, it's Caleb here, and I hope you're enjoying my home tour for the holidays. If you haven't noticed, I love Christmas music, and I hope you do too. It just adds so much to the season. And one of my favorite songs is, I Bet You Can't Guess. Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. I hope you're enjoying my home tour, and I can't wait to show you the next things. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful. And since there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I'm wishing all of you a wonderful and Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for joining me for my first ever Christmas home tour here in Nashville, Tennessee. Be sure to like and follow and share to all of your friends. CB Designs, and you can find us on Facebook and Instagram. I so look forward to having you join me again for coming seasons on what you can do in your homes for the holidays. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
So thank you all so much for joining me on this Christmas home tour. A huge thank you to Caleb at CB Designs in Nashville, Tennessee for opening up his heart and home to us. I just love the joy of this season, and I hope you all are enjoying time with family and friends. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have so many fun ideas coming for the new year for crafting and decorating. Of course, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day home tour. And if you guys missed my Christmas home tour, I'll leave a link to my huge I Love Christmas series in the description box. You guys don't want to miss out on it. A huge thank you to Caleb at CB Designs. Caleb, I'm having a cup of coffee with you, so I can't wait for this coming new year. Thank you all for being here. I'm going to hug all of your hearts so tight. A special Christmas prayer for those of you all that might be struggling with grief this time of year. And I just want you guys to know that I love you so much. Wherever you're at, keep going. I love you. I can't wait for our next video. And until then, be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another. We'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.